Hi, it's Paula Clark with Coa Banker and the Paula Clark Group. This home is just coming on the market. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, expanded cape. So much space, you will be surprised. The perfect family home. Come inside and see what I'm talking about. Here I am in the former living room with its own wood-burning fireplace. But wait, there's more. Follow me into the 2 bedrooms on the first floor. We have a full bath, plenty of closet space, and the kitchen is open, spacious, with so much cabinet space. And here I am in the expanded great room. It has vaulted ceilings, fan to keep you cool, skylights to let ample light in here, sliding door to the backyard, and a gas fireplace. This is a great room, really a great room for your family and friends. Take a look at the rest of the pictures of this home.